In this video you will learn how to remove Gmail on LinkedIn. Open Gmail, log into your Gmail account on your computer or mobile app, search for LinkedIn emails, in the search bar type LinkedIn and press enter to filter the LinkedIn messages. Select all the LinkedIn emails, click on the checkbox at the top left and select emails on the page, then select all conversations that match this search to include all your LinkedIn emails. Delete the emails, click the trash bin icon or move these emails to the bin. Create a filter, click the down arrow in the search bar, enter a filter, then click create filter. Choose delete it automatically to automatically remove future LinkedIn emails. Confirm the filter, remove the filter email settings and ensure LinkedIn emails will not clutter your inbox again. Now you know how to remove LinkedIn from Gmail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.